Hi guys, welcome to our asynchronous day. We are going to do our population bubble lab, survivorship lab. So you guys were told to have a container of bubbles. It did not need to be this big, but to bring it in, the first thing you guys are gonna do is kind of read the background info, answer your hypothesis, and then answer the pre-lab questions. And then I'm gonna summarize what you guys are doing for each part of the lab. So once you guys do the hypothesis and pre-lab, there's going to be 3 different parts. So the first part is going to be just letting the bubbles drop with no parental care, which will just be super simple. There's going to probably be more than one bubble that comes out as you're blowing the bubbles. So you with a sibling or by yourself, or if there's someone from MST that you've already hung around with, and been around since all of this is happening, like don't meet new people, but you guys could do it together if you wanted to. You're going to pick one bubble out of however many you blow, and that's not gonna work. And you're going to use a timer for its life, right? So you're gonna start the timer when it comes out, pick whatever bubble it is that comes out, and then turn the timer off once it hits the ground or it pops. So as you can see, multiple kind of come out. Then I'm just gonna follow this one specifically, and I'll tell you, it just popped. So whatever my timer would be for that. So you're gonna do that 20 times, okay? And you're gonna put a little tick mark down by which time it lasted, and I have little ranges there, okay? Then the next time, you're gonna have with parental care. Now your parental care could be multiple things. You can just blow it to try and keep it up in the air as long as it's possible without popping. You could use something to fan it. You could use your imagination and do something completely different. So, and of course, because I was talking. Okay. Okay, so I can just keep blowing that until it pops, and then I would take my time, and it just popped, okay? So that's round 2, and you'll do that 20 times as well to get 20 data points. And then the last thing that you're gonna do is put a meter stick on the ground, if you have one. If not, you guys all should have rulers, because you needed them last time. And ruler should have a centimeter mark, and you guys should measure out 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So you're gonna just do your starting spot, measure out 100 meters. You can either put the ruler down at the 100 centimeter mark, or you could put a piece of tape or whatever the case may be. And what you're doing is you're going to blow your bubbles, and you're gonna see how much time it takes for that bubble to reach the 1 meter mark, okay? If it never reaches the meter mark, you mark it as 0. It says it right in the instructions. And so you're gonna do that for 20 trials as well. So you're gonna fill out your data tables, and then you're also gonna create a graph, and you're gonna graph all 3 lines together for each piece of data on the same graph. So you're gonna need a key. You're gonna need to say which one is which part of the lab that you've done. How are you gonna turn this in? Well, to ensure that everybody has done this, you guys are gonna make a little video/picture montage, and that's what you're gonna turn in a media file. So you should have a video of you blowing the bubbles. It doesn't have to be one of your trials. You could do it after the fact if you needed to, like if you're the only person doing this. If you have a sibling, you know, they could record you doing one trial from each of the 3. Then you should have a picture of your data tables, because there's multiple, and a picture of your graph. Okay. Also, at the end, you should answer all of your questions verbally that are the questions on there, except for the one that says, hey, draw a graph and label which line of the survivorship curve each one of these were. So you can just be like, blah, blah, blah. My answer for 2, which is asking this, is this. So that is what you're going to be turning into the media file upload option. If you have any questions at all, please email me or message me on Schoology, and I hope this was clear and have fun with this. This is just like a fun lab. All right, bye guys.